Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Arifah Nukalisha binti Khalid. My metric number is AE190057. So now I'm gonna tell you about the differences between conductor and insulator. Conductor is a material which conducts electricity. It has high conductivity and low resistivity. The bond between the atom is ionic bond. The example is copper, mercury, silver, and water. Next is insulator, a material which do not allow any flow of electric current through them. It has low conductivity and high resistivity. The bond between the atom is covalent bond. The example is wood, rubber, glass, and dry air. One example of material that is used as a conductor is copper. Copper is a reddish gold-colored metal that is ductile, malleable, and an effective conductor of heat and electricity. Properties of copper that makes it a good conductor. The main properties is electrical conductivity and thermal conductivity. Electric can flow through copper because it has atoms that freely move. Next is corrosion resistant because copper is low in the reactivity series. Next, it is alloy easily joined, ductile, tough, hygienic, catalytic, and recyclable. All these properties shows that copper can be a good conductor. Next is the usage of copper as conductor in real life. Copper is used in a variety of applications, one of which is electrical wire. Whether it is a power cable for TV, computer, kitchen appliance, or construction tool, it's probably made of copper. All of the properties that I've presented before make it universally acceptable for electrical wire manufacturing. So next, we're going to talk about one example of material that is used as insulator. So I choose rubber. What is rubber? Okay, let me tell you. Rubber is a polymer with the property of elasticity. There are two categories of rubber. The first one is natural rubber, currently obtained from the rubber tree or heavier Braziliensis. And second is synthetic rubber derived from petrochemicals. What makes rubber a good insulator? So, properties of rubber is resistant to water, electrical insulator, and elasticity. So, why it is electrical insulator? It is because electrons in rubber are tightly bounded, so it requires a lot of energy to break it apart. Rubber is also a polymer of isoprene, which means it has high resistivity, high breakdown voltage, and useful physical properties. When the isoprene molecules polymerize, the arrangement of strong intermolecular bond uses up some of the internal pi bond in the molecules. It leads to a large band gap that prevents electrons being liberated from the valence band. That's why it has high breakdown voltage, because it requires a high voltage to liberate the electron from the valence band. This is also a good reason why rubber makes a good insulator. So, what is the usage of rubber as insulator in real life? One of the usage is cable insulation. It is used on the outside of the wire that are used to conduct electricity. Rubber provides protection from the danger of electrical charges being carried through the metal conductor. As we know, in rubber, the electrons are tightly bound within the material, which means that they are not free to be shared by neighboring atoms. The property of rubber allows the electron to slow down. In some cases, rubber can completely prevent electrons from moving.